This is how I make a thumbnail. It's the easiest way to make a thumbnail. Now there are lots of free apps out there that you can use to make a simple thumbnail. Now in this very short video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail, how to make a thumbnail using your Android phone, and this is how I do it at the present moment to create these videos that I'm putting out to you that you are now watching. The first step in creating a thumbnail, you have to download the Pixel Lab app. This will then take you to a blank canvas. The first thing you do is change the sizing of the canvas to YouTube thumbnail. Then you head to the pencil icon and add an image. From your gallery, you then resize that picture to your liking and add it to your canvas. Once you finish that, you definitely have to lock your image in place so that when you're doing your other edits, that one would not move. To add text to the photo, you head back up to the pencil icon and add a text onto that photo. You can place that text anywhere you want on that canvas. So this thumbnail will be used for this video, so it's going to be called YouTube thumbnail. I normally just play around with the wording and see where it fits, and I also rearrange the picture so that the thumbnail can be always on my right side of the picture. Always remember, in order for you to move your picture, you have to unlock, and in order for your picture not to move, you have to lock. Or any edit that you add to your screen and that you're satisfied with where they're at, you make sure lock that in place. There are lots of different styles for you to choose from. This app is definitely a simple one to navigate. You just have to play around with it. You can edit the background of your pictures. There's so many things that you can do with this app. You can change the color of the wording, you can change the background of the wording, you can space the words, you can add shadows, you can add color to the shadows. You can also make the letters bigger, smaller. You can change the font. You can change the wording you can change the letters, the word to the side. You can place them to the side, in the middle, and you can also space the letters. You can bring them in close. You can spread them apart and add images in the middle. There's so many things that you can do with this app. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to check out my other video about batch creating and how to start a YouTube channel. So this is a very simple app for you to navigate. All you have to do is just play around with it and get comfortable using it. Once I've finished making my thumbnail, I just head to export and save to my gallery, and that's it.